Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. In this video, we are going to discuss about the most frequently asked questions in Databricks Associate Engineer Examination. This is in continuation of Databricks certification playlist. In the previous video, I explained about the exam overview and its syllabus. If you have not watched that video, then you can watch that first and come back to this particular video. I have pinned the previous video in the I bar. So let's get started. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following commands will return records from an existing Delta table where duplicates have been removed? In this, you will see there's drop duplicates from my table. Select this where duplicate equal to false. Select the existing star from my table. Merge into this using this when not matched, then insert star. Merge into my table this. So if you can see, this is a merge operation. This is a merge operation. So it's actually not deleting any records, right? Any duplicate records. Select distinct star from this. It's not deleting those records, but selecting the records, distinct records from the table. Here, duplicate equal to false. We don't know whether there's any duplicate column also or not, right? So these four are not there. But if you do a drop duplicate from your table, basically it will drop those duplicate values from the table and give you only those records which are unique in the table. It will remain those. Okay, so now we have the next question, next two questions in this session. A data engineer wants to horizontally combine two tables as a part of the query. They want to use a shared column as a key column, and they want to query the result to contain rows whose value in the key column are present in both the tables. What type of SQL command you can use to accomplish this task? So this particular question actually examines whether you know different types of joins, unions, and merge or not. So in this, it's actually saying that there's a shared column called key column, and it want to return the rows which are present in both the tables, right? So basically in the inner join, you go ahead and get the records from both the table. Outer join, you go ahead and get the records from all the records that are present from both the tables, right? Left join is only the left, and merge is basically merge the records. Union is actually the union of the record. Now, the last question of this particular video, we will come and get the answer for. A junior data engineer has ingested a JSON file into a raw table with the following schema. The junior data engineer would like to unnest the item column in raw table to result in a new table with the following schema. Which of the following commands should the junior data engineer run to complete this? So you have to keep in mind there's a JSON file basically in this, and in this JSON file there is a table called raw table. You have to actually put it into the raw table, okay? And there you have to go ahead, there's an items column. Items thing, you need to get it into the column called raw table. And in this, you have a card ID and the item ID as the stick. So you have to populate this like this. Now, how will you do it? What type of particular function you can use in order to basically flatten the data and get the data into the table? It says there's a filter, flatten, reduce, explode, and slice. Which command will you use? If you know what is the functionality of each command, you will be able to answer this particular question. In this, if you will see, filter means basically filter out the data. So this is ruled out. Flatten is actually to flatten the data, not basically to get one column out of the array of the columns, right? And reduce is to reduce the data. Slice is just like a slicing operator, right? Explode will actually go ahead and explode this particular array into different columns. So explode items you have to use, and it will give you the item ID out of that and give you the result. In the coming videos, I will be covering the rest of the questions that the Databricks is providing, explaining exactly how to approach all those questions. It will be very helpful in clearing the particular Databricks Data Engineer Associate examination. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.